Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel.
Hello.
And this is kind of gonna be like a vlog today because I am on my way to get my hair did. And she is a small YouTuber. Also, Jason say hello world. That's my oldest one back there.
Hello.
That's the baby. JJ, where you at? And that's the middle one.
She on her phone too. You didn't say nothing about her.
And today I am going to get my hair braided, and she is a small YouTuber also, and her page name is Ambrosia Bradley, and I will link her page. I will link hers in the description box so y'all can check out her channel too. And this is going to be like a collaboration today because it's going to be like a collaboration / tutorial because she's going to show y'all how she is going to style my hair. So y'all stay tuned and watch, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and to hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos.
Y'all better subscribe to my.
Okay y'all, this is the finished look right here, and the type of hair that I use is from Zury, and it's the queendom hair, and it is the straight hair. And this is the colors that she used. I got the color 1 and 1 between and the color 27. I'm not sure. I have to link it in the description box. But she did a really good job, and shout out to her for hooking me up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will link her channel in the description box so y'all can subscribe to her. Hey y'all, I know I'm back. Like, when did I got my hair done Saturday, and today is Tuesday. So yeah, I'm back a whole nother 3 days later. But y'all, I have had some trouble with this hair. But before we get into all that, I just want to let y'all know that I did collaborate with another small YouTuber. You will probably hear this in another clip that I recorded, but her name is Ambrosia Bradley. That is her YouTube channel, and y'all, she did such a good job on my hair. I do love the way that she installed my hair, and I really like how she mixed the colors that I picked out. I really do like how she put the colors together, and the way that she installed my hair, y'all will get to see that also, but y'all will have to click on the link that I left in the description box so y'all can get the details all about that. But right here, I am going to give y'all my review on this hair since I have had it in my hair for 3 days now. And y'all, I felt like I was taming Mufasa with this hair, y'all, because it got tangled so bad. And what I use to detangle my hair is this Lusty olive oil hair dress, and I got this from Dollar Tree. And this is how it looks, and it has a really good smell to it. And I just also use just regular water in a spray bottle to detangle my hair. That is one con I can say about this hair, but I am going to give y'all an up close view of it, and I will put before and after pictures in this video so y'all can see how my hair looked. And the name of this hair is, well, it's the Zury brand, and it's the Queendom hair, and it is crochet braided type of hair, and it is a new design braid. It is flame retarded, and it's of course crochet braid, and it's 100% hand braided, and it is called Queen Straight, and I got it in 24 inches. And y'all, this hair, it did cost $1.99 a bag, and this color is in the color 1, and the other color that I have is in 27, and it also comes in all other type of colors. It comes in 1B, 2, 4, 99J, FS, 1B30. Oh, and the other color that I have is SOM 27/30, and it comes in honey blonde, midnight blue, red range, some aqua, some burgundy, some fox, some pink, and some platinum. And I'm going to take the hair out the package. And I hope y'all can see it. I'm running my fingers through the hair. The hair does have a really nice texture to it. And like this, it doesn't tangle. But if you have like a whole lot of hair in your hair like I do, she used 9 bags of hair, because I got 10 bags in all, and this was the bag that was left over. And it does come pre-looped. So that is the good part about it, that it did come pre-looped, but it was kind of hard for her to loop it through the braids, through my braids. But in the end, it did all work out. I am glad that she did install this on my hair. And if you have the time, I mean, you can detangle this hair and you can make it look decent, like I did. Like I sectioned this off into like 6 or 7 sections, and all I did was get a ponytail holder, and I just sectioned my hair, and I did detangle it. I did like this. I just finger combed it. That's how I detangle it. And the pros about this hair, it does come pre-looped. It was $1.99 a bag, so I believe that is a really good deal. The hair, it does have a nice texture to it, and this is a really nice hairstyle. The cons about it, I don't like the fact that it tangles a lot, and you do have to take out time out your day to really take care of this hair and to detangle it. And like, it doesn't matter what price that I pay to get my hair done or the price of the hair that I purchase, I am going to try to keep this style up for as long as I can, and I am going to try to maintain it for as long as I can, because I do like the hairstyle that I created. It's like a high ponytail type of hairstyle, and I do like the hairstyle that I created. And I'm going to give y'all an up-close view of it. And so y'all can see what I'm talking about with the whole detangling thing. But I say this, if you can manage, excuse me y'all, excuse my camera. But I will say this, if y'all can take time out of your day to take care of this hair and to manage it and to detangle it, then yeah, I would say go ahead and grab you a few bags of these if you want a cute hairstyle. But if you don't have the time, and if you know, want to purchase hair that costs more and that you know that will work better for you, then you know, go ahead and do that too. You know, just do how you feel. And so with that being said, that is all I have to say for right now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to go over to Ambrosia's page so y'all can see how I got this hair installed. And don't forget to subscribe to her channel. And I will